Now, join cadets, today I am sending this video, and in this video we will discuss the simple equation, how to find the solution of simple equation. Now you can see there are three methods. We discussed in online classes also. This is just for your recall your knowledge. The first method is trial and error method. Suppose that we having x plus 7 equal to 8, and we want to simplify this equation by trial and error method. Now this is very easy. Now you have to assume any value. Suppose that let x equal to 1. You taken x equal to 1. Let us assume. So in this condition, if you put x equal to 1, you will get 1 plus 7 equal to 8. Now you can see 8 equal to 8. It means LHS equal to RHS. Okay. So now you try it, and in first value only you got the solution. If suppose that at x equal to 1 you are not getting solution, you have to check for any another value. Again you are not getting, again you have to check for any another value. So by this way, by putting the different values, you can check on which value your equation is satisfied or not. So this is trial and error. The second is balancing method. Now second method is balancing method. Balancing the equation, you can say, or balancing method. Balancing the equation. See, the equation is given x plus 7 equal to 8. Okay, how to balance it? Now see, here you require the value of x. So this 7 is extra. And how can we remove this 7? If we subtract 7 from both sides, means we can balance the equation. X plus 7 equal to 8. So minus 7, minus 7. We balance the equation. Okay. Like same in chemistry also, you are balancing the equation. Reactions you will use, because in 7th class I think this is not in chemistry, but in higher classes in 8 and 9 you will balance the equations, reactions. So similarly this method we are using in chemistry also, balancing the equation, and here we are balancing the equation. So here we subtracted 7 from both sides, there will be no effect because we are subtracting the same number from both sides. Now 7 will cancel, and here we will get x equal to 1. Now it means this is your solution. This is known as balancing the equation. This is balancing the equation. And the third is very important, transposition. Transposition method. Generally, we are not using this trial and error method and balancing equation method. We are using transposition method. Up to your BTech, MTech, and higher classes, every time, everywhere, you will use transposition method. Okay, don't use this trial and error. If in any question this is given, is solve by trial and error or balancing equation method, then solve. Otherwise, you have to solve by transposition. In some questions, in some special questions, if you are not able to solve, then otherwise you can solve the trial and error method. In sometimes in competitive exam, because in competitive exam they are giving 4 options, the problem is given, and suppose that if any lengthy question is there, so sometimes we are using the trial and error method also in competitive exam only. Okay, suppose 4 options are given, just you can put on which value your answer is correct, you can verify and you can just mark the correct answer. But in descriptive type question we will use transposition. Okay, see, in transposition this is given x plus 7 equal to 8. Transposition means we have to transposition. Transposition means here you require the value of x. So we have to transposition this 7 in this side because we require the value of x. So if you are transposing 7 in this side, so what you will get? You will get x equal to 8 minus 7. because this is in here, this is in positive. So in right hand side, when it will be go, sign will change. So this is positive, so in this side it will be negative. Negative sign will, if you are transposing negative sign, it will be positive. If any number in the multiplication, then it will be in the division. If any number is division in this side, then opposite side it will be in the multiplication. So you should remember this thing. So by this way you can see you are getting x equal to 1. So this way also you got the x equal to 1. This is the way. So I given you, I shown you very simplest equation. Okay, but don't think only this type equation will be difficult also. But by this simple equation you can understand the basic concept of trial and error method, balancing the equation, and transposition method. And this is the method we will use, transposition. Okay, this will trial and error method and balancing equation method when you will use, when this is given in the question is solved by these method, then you should prefer. Otherwise you should solve by transposition method. Okay kids, now if any doubt you can share your doubts with me. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.